Okay guys, sa lahat po na nagtatanong online, I'm gonna answer all those questions right now on what happened yesterday. At around 4 p.m., a vehicle just from the Alabang Westgate Philinvest just went straight and went into our alfresco area here in the Johnny. To my left, as you guys can see, this is what happened. Let me take you here. So we had all alfresco here, and we're very thankful that there were no more guests here around, because at 12 to around 2 p.m. we were full house outside, and we're very blessed that God was with us, that wala nang tao when this happened. I'll take you inside, come. So this is the vehicle that rammed inside. So all the tables and chairs were all washed out. It rammed, this was my pizza oven. This was a room that it was made into like a stock room, and had two people sleeping in there because it was break time. So they both got hit. They're in the hospital right now as we speak, but they're okay. They're getting medical attention right now. So the first thing I checked when I came in, I asked the guard, and I tried to look at the gearbox if it was still on drive or park. So it was already in park. Ibig sabihin, the driver placed it in park. She had the presence of mind to still put it in park. But when we spoke to her, people would ask me online if she was drunk, if she was high or whatever. No, she's a very innocent, beautiful lady that just panicked, blacked out, and pressed on the gas instead of the brakes. So that's what happened. It can happen to anybody out there, young, old, male, female. It can happen to anyone. So I think the lesson here is always be aware, watch your surroundings, and be careful all the time, because this can happen anywhere. And if you guys are eating wherever or walking anywhere, just be aware, be attentive of your surroundings, kumbaga. So guys, this is it. This is what's happening here. We're just waiting for the insurance to come in to clear out everything so we can move out the car and continue business. But on a lighter note, the Johnny's still open in the inside, so we have another entrance in the back. So you guys can check that out. Come over and we'll clean this out before Valentine's. Maraming salamat. Ingat, have a good one.
Nagkaroon ng di inaasahang aksidente ang negosyo ng mag-asawang Sara Geronimo and Matteo Guidicelli. Nagbigay ng opisyal na pahayag si Matteo Guidicelli kaugnay sa isang insidente na naganap sa kanilang restaurant na The Gianni Cucina Italiana, Westgate Philinvest. Ayon kay Matteo, bandang alas 4 ng hapon nang mangyari ang insidente kung saan isang sasakyan ang biglang bumangga at pumasok sa alfresco area ng kanilang restaurant. Mabuti na lamang at wala ni isang bisita ang nasaktan dahil ayon sa kanya, nakauwi na ang lahat ng guests bandang 1:30 ng hapon, kaya't wala ng tao sa naturang lugar nang mangyari ang aksidente. Dalawa naman sa kanilang mga staff ang nasa loob ng restaurant, partikular sa pizza oven area, at agad silang isinugod sa ospital upang masuri ng mga doktor. Sa kabutihang palad, wala namang malubhang pinsala ang tinamo ng mga ito at kasalukuyan ng inaalagaan at nasa maayos na kalagayan. Dagdag pa ni Matteo, limitado lamang sa panlabas na bahagi ng restaurant ang naging pinsala. Nanatiling bukas ang indoor dining area habang pansamantalang isinara ang alfresco section para sa kaligtasan at agarang pagkukumpuni. Binigyang diin din ni Matteo ang isang mahalagang paalala para sa lahat, na saan man tayo naroroon, dapat laging maging alerto at mapagmatsyag. Aniya, mahalaga ang awareness at prevention dahil hindi natin alam kung kailan at saan maaaring mangyari ang isang hindi inaasahang sitwasyon. Sa kabila ng pangyayari, nagpasalamat si Matteo sa Diyos dahil sa patuloy na pag-iingat at proteksyon sa kanyang team. Ayon sa kanya, sa biyaya ng Panginoon ay ligtas, malusog at patuloy na bumabangon ang kanyang mga tauhan. Sa Diyos ang lahat ng papuri. Nagpasalamat din siya sa mga nagpaabot ng dasal at malasakit at nagpaalala sa publiko na manatiling ligtas sa lahat ng oras.